When we think of sugary drinks, we often picture a refreshing soda, a sweetened coffee, or a chilled juice, simple pleasures that lift our spirits and give a quick boost of energy. Rarely do we consider that the very sugars making these beverages appealing, fructose and glucose, can also act as a potent fuel for cancer cells, giving them the energy and mobility they need to spread. A recent study published in Nature Metabolism sheds light on this phenomenon, showing that the combination of these sugars interacts with the enzyme SORD to enhance colorectal cancer cell growth and metastasis. While the idea might sound worrisome at first, the study also brings a positive perspective. Understanding the precise mechanism opens the door to interventions, lifestyle strategies, and preventive measures that empower both scientists and individuals. Imagine the body as a busy, well-orchestrated city. Most cells are like responsible citizens maintaining infrastructure, managing energy, and keeping everything running smoothly. Cancer cells, however, are like vehicles trying to leave their assigned neighborhood. Normally, their movement is restricted and their ability to spread is limited. Fructose and glucose from sugary drinks act like a high-octane fuel, and SORD, the enzyme that converts sugars into usable energy, serves as a turbocharged engine. Together, this combination gives cancer cells the speed, agility, and endurance they need to move beyond their original location and invade new areas. A simple soda, sweetened juice, or iced coffee, while seemingly harmless, becomes, at the cellular level, a source of power for cancer cells on a journey they were never meant to take. The encouraging aspect of this research is the clarity it provides. For years, the relationship between sugar and cancer progression was largely speculative, but now we have a detailed understanding. Sugar fuels SORD. SORD energizes cancer cells, and these cells gain mobility. This precision empowers researchers to develop targeted interventions. By regulating or inhibiting SORD activity, it may be possible to deprive cancer cells of the energy boost they rely on, slowing their spread without interfering with normal cellular metabolism. What once seemed like an uncontrollable risk now becomes a clearly defined pathway that science can strategically manipulate for better outcomes. The findings also provide practical guidance for everyday life. Limiting consumption of sugary beverages is not only about weight management or blood sugar control. It becomes a concrete strategy to reduce the fuel available to cancer cells. Opting for water, unsweetened teas, or whole fruits instead of sodas and sweetened drinks can deprive cancer cells of the energy they need to metastasize. Every small, consistent choice contributes to creating a cellular environment that favors healthy cells while making it harder for cancer cells to gain momentum. Knowledge transforms into power, and daily decisions become meaningful preventive actions. Another positive takeaway comes from understanding the role of SORD. This enzyme is not inherently harmful. It is an essential part of normal metabolism, converting sugar into energy for healthy cells. The problem arises only when excess sugar from drinks combines with cancerous cells, creating conditions that favor metastasis. This specificity is promising because it allows for precise, targeted interventions that minimize disruption to healthy biology. It demonstrates that biology is not an uncontrollable threat, but a system that can be understood, influenced, and guided through both scientific insight and conscious choices. Ultimately, cancer's favorite drink, a blend of fructose and glucose, reframes the story of sugary beverages from a vague risk to a clearly defined mechanism that can be addressed. It reveals the pathway by which sugar fuels cancer cells, highlights opportunities for scientific and lifestyle intervention, and emphasizes the power of awareness and prevention. While fructose and glucose may be cancer cells' favorite fuel, understanding, informed choices, and targeted strategies provide the tools to slow their spread, protect healthy cells, and turn what might seem like a recipe for disease into a story of hope, control, and resilience.